Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode. Today we are going to talk about what orcas eat around the world. First, you have to know the name orca comes, and the scientific name Orcinus orca comes from the Roman god of the underworld, Orcus. So this already says a lot about their fierce reputation. Indeed, orcas are apex predators. They are on top of the food chain in the ocean. As a whole, the species has the most diverse diet of any cetacean. So their prey ranges from small fish up to big blue whales. Imagine, they are the only known predators to great white sharks. The diverse diet of orcas depends on the place where they live in the world, but also in their groups. Some groups have been assigned ecotypes. But what is an ecotype? By this, we mean a group of orcas that is different from another one. But what are the differences that can vary? It's going to be the size, the look that they have with their patches and the colorations. It can also be the foraging techniques, prey preferences, dialects and behavior. And each ecotype is going to stay within its own group. They are not going to interbreed. In the Pacific, you find three known ecotypes of orcas. First, you have the fish specialists, resident orcas that eat, for example, salmon and mackerel, but also offshore orcas. They eat fish and also sharks. The third ecotypes are bigs orcas or transients. They eat mammals like harbor seals, but also whales like gray whales. In the Atlantic, the ecotypes are not as clear as the one of the orcas in the Pacific. So in the eastern part, near Iceland and Norway, they will feed mainly on fish like herring. The population of Greenland has a strong preferences for seals. Orcas that live in the Canadian Arctic, well, they are a 50-50. Half of them are going to prefer ringed seals, and the other half prefers narwhals and belugas. Despite these preferences, groups or individuals within the populations may supplement their diet with seals, whales, porpoises or fish. So globally, what they eat will depend on what is available where they live. But there is another big determining factor. It's the culture. Indeed, orcas are extremely social animals that live in matrilineal groups. So different groups may teach and pass on preferences for hunting techniques or praise from generation to generation. So now you know what orcas eat, but you, what would you eat? If you like this video and you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon for another episode of the WHALEZONE.TV.